Hi there, this is our Bemato 2160 teach CNC lathe. It's good quality, ticks over nicely. I've got the turret station on it, etc. Someone's at some stage of its life has done a nice modification on it. Would have originally had two hand wheels here, and you'd control your bits and pieces there in jog mode and then move up to the screen, etc. for rapid. But they've gone and put the one wheel here and a control to do the crossfeed and longitudinal all on here, and also a joystick for the rapid. So for example, if I hold the wee rapid traverse button in and use the joystick, you can do it all down here rather than going up here. So yeah, really good idea. And for the crossfeed and longitudinal on this wee wheel, you just push a button there, which livens this up, and so there's your longitudinal feed and a wee toggle switch for the cross. So there's your cross working there. And they've also put a 3-step increments here for the ×1, ×10 and ×100. So really forward-thinking idea. So your other buttons here, there's your coolant pump. You should be able to hear that running. It's also got an oil skimmer in there. Your tool turret change. Spindle. It's going reverse there. Stop. Forward. I've got that on 50%, I'll ramp that up. 100% there. It's about 400 RPM. I'll stop that. So there's that control there. It's really nice, a little bit of a modification that someone's done. And I have got a simple auto program in there that I'll run you through, so I'll just start that up. So it's running a constant surface speed there. At 1600 RPM just about. Done a tool change. Again back up to 1600. Another tool change, 400. So there it is, just a simple cycle there. So very good quality Taiwanese machine. The wee mods that someone's done here is a really nice feature, and it's all set to go.